Welcome. In front of me is an Air 2 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold the power button, and from the options that will show up, select power off. This will turn off the device, though it takes a moment. You can see that the screen is already off, but if we flip it over, you can see that the lights are still on. So wait for those to go off. There we go. Once they do, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. This will take us to the boot mode, which is this one right here. And you want to press volume up only till the arrow is at the very top. So we have only 3 options. You can see it jumped all the way to the top. So kind of do this. Once it's all the way at the top, this is recovery mode being selected. I'm just kind of bring it close. You can see it right now. I am trying to keep my hands as steady as I can, but being old isn't fun. Anyway, so make sure that's selected, and then once it is, press volume down once, and this will now redirect us to the recovery mode. Now, before we actually enter recovery mode, we'll get first stopped by the Android logo with no command. And to get past this, you're gonna hold power button, and while holding it, you're gonna press volume up once. So, like so. And there we go. That is how you would enter recovery mode on this device. Now we can navigate in this menu using volume buttons, either down or up, depending on which direction you want to go. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the previous page. Fast boot mode. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card. Wipe data on system. View logs. Run tests. And power off. So in any case, I'm going to select the first option. Like I mentioned, this takes me back to Android. I'm going to just confirm it, and the device will boot back up. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.